Where's the lighter fluid?
Over.
I'm pushing forward. Where do you want to go?
Step back. It'll go.
I see that.
Alright, after this burns down to the coals, then we'll cook some food on it. This is just the limbs and things fell out of the trees. We'll throw some logs on it after it gets going. Alright, so we're down here at the coals. So we got our ribs that we wrapped up. We're gonna throw them on there. We're gonna go ahead and put some coals on top of them. Move that. Move that back over that way. Whew.
Man, I can feel it over here.
Yep, it's hot.
Whew. It backfired.
We got our potato packs. We're gonna do the same thing.
Can you get me those? One thing is what to put on the bag. I'm getting hot just standing here.
Yep. And remember, everything you're saying is going to be on video.
Yeah. Oh. Wait, the corn glowing?
Now, that's right. Here's the way Indians made corn. So you just soak it in water. And then you just lay it down. The water on the husks will keep it from burning too much. And it'll help steam it at the same time.
And then on the back of it, so this old ass.
Move that over some more.
Oh, I can't put on it.
Well, so we don't eat the outside part right there. Yeah, the ashes will be on the outside part. So you don't want to be burning trash. We were using regular wood here.
Oh, man.
And we'll turn it over quite a bit too. And you can do the same thing on a grill. You can soak these in the water.
Ooh, I'm wondering how tasty it is.
All right, we got to cook these for about an hour. We got about 20 minutes to go. Corn looks pretty well done. Normally when it starts getting good and brown like that, it's good to eat. Did have to throw a little bit more on here to get a little more coals going to throw on top of it. We got a pretty big fire ring here, so here we are. Peeled it back. I normally like to go and throw the husk back in the fire. You don't want to drag all this chard around with you. So right there we go. You can see that one right there. Got was a little too close to the fire itself.